Hey everyone, it's animated host name from SEO Oven. Getting your content seen online can feel like shouting into a void, right? It all starts with keywords. Today I'll break it down for you, step by step. We'll cover everything from understanding what keywords are to finding the best ones for your niche. Stick around to the end because I've got a special announcement about a tool that's going to completely change your keyword game. Let's start with the basics. What are keywords? Imagine you're looking for the best chocolate chip cookie recipe online. What do you type into Google? Chocolate chip cookies, right? That's your keyword. Keywords are the words and phrases people use when searching for information online. They're how your audience tells Google what they're looking for. Your job is to use those exact words and phrases in your content. That way, when someone searches for best chocolate chip cookie recipe, Google goes, "Aha! I know just the place," and shows them your amazing blog post or video. Not all keywords are created equal. Some keywords are super competitive. Everyone's using them. That's why you need to be strategic about the keywords you choose. That's what we're going to dive into next. How do you find those golden keywords that will get your content seen? Luckily, there are some amazing tools out there, both free and paid, that can help. My go-to free tools are Google Keyword Planner and Ubersuggest. When you're looking at keywords, you want to focus on two things: search volume and competition. Search volume tells you how many people are searching for that keyword each month. The higher the search volume, the more potential eyeballs on your content. Competition tells you how hard it will be to rank for that keyword. Ideally, you want to find keywords with high search volume and low competition. That's the sweet spot. But don't worry, we'll talk more about finding those hidden gems in a bit. Now, let's talk about long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases people search for. For example, instead of just targeting shoes, you might target best running shoes for flat feet. Long-tail keywords are gold for a few reasons. First, they're less competitive, which means it's easier to rank for them. Second, they attract more qualified traffic. Someone searching for best running shoes for flat feet is much closer to making a purchase than someone just searching for shoes. If you're selling running shoes, you don't just want anyone landing on your site. You want people who are actively looking for running shoes, and even better, people with flat feet who need your specific type of shoe. That's the power of long-tail keywords. Alright, you found the perfect keywords. Now how do you actually use them? The key is to be strategic and natural. Don't just cram keywords in wherever you can. That's called keyword stuffing, and Google hates it. Start with your title and meta description. Use your primary keyword in your title and sprinkle in related keywords in your meta description. Next, naturally incorporate your keywords throughout your content. Use them in your headings, subheadings, and throughout your body text. But remember, your priority is to create high-quality, engaging content that your audience will love. Write for humans first, search engines second, and you'll be golden. Here's a common mistake I see people make: keyword stuffing. They think that by cramming as many keywords as possible into their content, they'll trick Google into ranking them higher. Newsflash: Google is way smarter than that. Keyword stuffing actually hurts your rankings. It makes your content sound spammy and unnatural, which is a huge turnoff for both Google and your audience. Instead of focusing on keyword quantity, focus on quality. Create valuable, informative, and engaging content that naturally incorporates your target keywords. Write for humans first, search engines second, and you'll be golden. Remember, it's not about tricking Google, it's about creating content that truly deserves to rank. And that's it. Keyword research in 2025 is easier than ever. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out SEO Oven for free SEO tools that make ranking easier. Head over to seoven.com and try out our free keyword research tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.